A very warm welcome to the Trading Mentor, where we are dedicated to your success. This is the market update for the 25th of March, live from London. If you're a pro subscriber, then this is live. Welcome to you all. If not, then this is delayed. I'm delighted to welcome you to the market update here at the Trading Mentor. Very warm welcome to you all. Just going to explain the setups that we've got. For those who've done the 10-day trading tutorial course, masterclass, then obviously you'll know the setups, you'll know what these lines mean. On the left side, as you look at it, we have a 4-hour chart, and this one confirms the trends before we enter. Before you make any decisions each morning or each week, how often you are trading, you have to have a good idea which direction things are going to go. So on the left I have oil. I'm looking for a new position on oil. We had a 53 pip loss. Neither here nor there, to be honest. We had 500 pips this week, so we can't complain, or more than that, I think. Let me show you the setups. I've done the market update, and that's gone to the blog, or will be any moment now. It's early, it's 7:31 in the morning here in London. Let me go to the copper setup is a good one because we're in this. We're up about, I don't know, 90 pips or so. So for us to make a decision on trends, the first thing we have to establish is where is the price likely to continue to go? Because all we're trying to do is predict where, the future price. Now it's hitting 39.92 currently, and we got in at the top here. I don't know if you can see that little arrow there. This is our entry. So let me explain how this works. The first decision we make is decide which direction is likely to go. So whenever the price is below this blue line, now this is a special leading indicator. We don't use lagging indicators at all. The price is below the blue line. So that indicates the price is likely, in fact probably, going to fall. Here's the RSI. You may know this one. Quite a common indicator, no special arrangements here. Whenever the price is below the 50, the water line, then this indicates that the price is highly likely, probably, to fall. The next stochastic that we use is the fast stochastic. So we are looking for a sell. We want to see where the cycle of the trade is. So there's cycles, as we know, with each trade. The price goes up, it goes down. That's what we expect. We want the volatility in the market to get into positions. So at the point of entry, when I got in here yesterday, the price was below the blue line. The RSI price was below the water line of 50. And the stochastic indicated that the cycle is continuing downwards. Now I'm not worried about this being oversold now. Often we see prices continue down and remain oversold for many days or weeks often. So don't worry about that. It's the point of entry that you're more interested in. I mean, I've locked in profits here anyway. So we would have entered here somewhere about there, 40.73. Our stop would have been 41.06, let's say. My target is the S2 support level 2, or just above it, actually. The support level 2 is 39.58. So I've got my target of 39.59, so just above that figure. So now we wait. Now, one of the things that I've done this morning is I've moved my stop from this top, this higher high here, to this level here. Now, significantly, whenever the price moves below this blue line on the 15-minute chart, now this is a special setup on a moving average, whenever the price moves below this, then it usually stays below it until it reverses. Okay, so it's easily manageable, and you can see by this that I've moved my stop here down to 40.27. So I've locked in some profits here, and if it falls down to our target, then happy days. If it decides to move above the blue line at any stage, then I will pull the plug. Now this is okay if you have the time to manage that trailing stop. If you don't, then it's just as easy. You open a position at this point, have a stop above this previous high, and have a target or whatever you want to set it at, and then just let it go. So you can do this in 10-15 minutes a day very, very easily. This also can be managed on the phone as well. If you have an iPhone in particular, you can manage your positions, move your stops very, very easily. So we have a position on the pound Swiss again. We had some good profits on this one. Moving, albeit slowly. A couple of things to mention. First of all, the price is below the blue line significantly. Price is below 50 on the 4-hour, on the RSI. And the stochastic is in a phase where it's likely to continue down. It's definitely not oversold. So we continue, put our stop at the previous high, which is 128.25. For those pros who are watching now, and for anyone's not on the pro membership, if you want to upgrade to pro membership, you're more than welcome, of course. But with pro membership, I will actually send a copy of the trade, as I trade it, a copy of the chart, so you can actually see what's going on and learn from it, because all this is purely for education purposes, as you know. Euro yen is another one on the list this morning, guys, so keep an eye on this. Let me explain. 4-hour on the left, 15-minute on the right. As you can see, the price on the 15-minute is above the blue line. This is significant. It is not a trade. What's likely to happen here is that the left chart shows that this is weak. Price is probably going to go up to about resistance to 29.08, and then find a bit of a problem there. It might not go that far, but again, a couple of things to note here is that the downtrend is still in place. The RSI is below 50. Now the stochastic is gearing up for a move down as it becomes overbought above 70 is significant. Our entry, however, as you know by now, is below the blue line. So this is definitely not a trade at the moment. You could put a setup on it if you like, 128.60, 128.70, somewhere around there. So if it breaks down at any moment, you could actually get into that trade. It's not a bad idea. But have a look at that. Let's see how copper's doing. Copper's fine. It's finding resistance on R1, resistance 1 on the pivots, 1 at 39.9, 90-ish. So we're looking for a new position on oil. This is our position yesterday. We put this on, I think. I've lost my oil chart. I need the oil chart. So this is the oil setup on the 4-hour. Just quickly do this one and that's it for today. Don't forget to go into the blog to see the general market update, including stocks and shares. So again, significantly, the left chart shows a sell below the blue line, RSI below 50, and the stochastic is perfect. From an overbought position, this indicates that the price is going to fall big. We could see it going down to 55 very, very quickly, which is another 500 pips for us. You can see previously, I'll put an arrow there, we had a position here, made a quick profit on that one. We had a position up here as well, made a quick profit on that one. And that to there is very significant. That's almost 400 pips, that one. 378 pips, 380 pips. Very nice. We could expect something even bigger very shortly. That's it for today. Thank you for attending the market update for today. Some great positions on, some great positions setting up on what I'll do each morning. If you're pro, it'll be live like this is. If you're not, it is delayed. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you. Well, we do a market update pretty much every day. If the markets are dead, then obviously there's no point. But have a great day.